Hello, family and friends. I'm about to reveal one of the best Haitian women's secret into your kitchen. If you want your family, your kids to sit down, eat your homemade food, I encourage you to save this video and later you'll thank me. Usually what we use in our kitchen to make our food taste yummy, we use all those ingredients I'm about to reveal to you. I didn't have any celery, that was the reason I didn't use any, but what we use: green onions, garlic, bell peppers, cilantro, parsley, thyme, jalapeno, girl, you name it. But it's up to you. You can, if you have more vegetables, you can add more of that, but that's how I had on my hands, and I use what I had. You can use whatever you have in the kitchen, in your kitchen. You can add more vegetables or you can use less, but the most important thing is to use these ingredients that will make your food taste so yummy. Your husband and your kids, they will thank you. Not only their gut will thank you, but their health also will thank you. Love you.